Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बहू लाती tips and tricks to make your life simpler and easier. Today I am going to review some couple of healthy snacks which are made by Kind. I have four alternatives today. The first one is almond and coconut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बहू लाती tips and tricks to make your life simpler and easier. Today we're going to review some couple of good healthy snacks which are manufactured by Kind, and these are gluten free and with a lot of nuts, I believe. But let's see. I have four different flavors to try today: almond and coconut, salted caramel, almonds and salted caramel, maple glazed pecan, and fruit and nut. So there's a lot of nuts, but yes, it's gluten free. So if you're looking for a gluten free snack with a lot of nuts, which we usually look for when we are hungry, this should be a good alternative. Subject to the presence of sugar. So this one has 7 grams of sugar in it, and this is fruit and nut. So let's try this one. So if you've tried this before, it's basically like a lot of nuts glued together in a flavor or a syrup. The syrup is very sweet. I think the sugar is just enough to bind all these nuts together, but I really can't taste it. It's not really very sweet, and the syrup that's used is probably fruit based. So this is really nice and very filling. I'm sure I wouldn't feel energy, feel low after eating this, lack of energy, and it's a good source of fiber because of the nuts, low on sodium. This is something you should look into. So the next one on our list is the almond and coconut. So if you're a coconut fan, which most of us are, you should try this one. This is again a nice, this looks like it has rice flakes. A very, very strong fragrance of coconut. If you love coconut, this is coconut flakes. This is amazing. You really feel the coconut. This is too good. I think I'm going to have a tough time picking the winner. The next one is this one with pecan and sea salt. Let's try this. The sugar is around 5 to 7 in all of these, so that is not too much compared to protein bars, which have 20 grams. This is again a nice set of nuts glued together. The maple syrup is very faint. It's not overpowering. You can feel the nuts. The best thing about all of this is you can really feel the flavor of each nut. In spite of using like a sugar base to put this all together, it's not overpowering any nuts flavor. So this is too good, guys. You should try this. I'm becoming a big fan of these guys, Kind. It's a 40-gram bar that they have, and they say that for every 40 gram they have 5 grams of sugar, which is not a lie. One has 7, but I can give it to them for the taste. This one is almond, salted caramel, and dark chocolate. This looks very beautiful, guys. I open this. Can you see this? Unlike the others, there is like a nice chocolate glazing on this one. It's amazing. If you're craving chocolate, if you're going to eat something healthy, you want to have some natural nut protein and you're not allergic to nuts, definite go-to. So some nice salty taste at the end of it, which doesn't make the chocolate too sweet. Oh god, guys, I think I'm a big big fan. Thank you, Kind. Thank you for these amazing snacks. They are out of the world. Guys, please try this and please let me know in the reviews how did you like it? Which one's your favorite? I'm really confused. I can't pick a favorite. Nothing. Maybe I'll go in for the almond and coconut, but I don't know. It's too difficult to decide. This is a must try, a definite go to snack when you're hungry, full of proteins, gives you instant energy, gluten free. What more could you ask for? So please let me know in the comments how do you like it. If there's something else you'd like me to try. If there are more flavors of this, please do let me know because I would love to try them myself. Till next time, this is your Tech Bahu signing off.